Good evening everyone, my name is Dr. Saurabh Roy. I welcome you all in the last lecture of Unit 3. So in this lecture we will discuss about the reflex klystron oscillator, what are the output power as well as efficiency as well as its current in the catcher cavity valves, how much current. So first step we will see the reflex klystron. So those are the key points, output power as well as efficiency. So first we started from the reflex klystron. So the function of the reflex klystron is a reflector is placing or Rappler voltage is placed. So due to that Rappler voltage it is coming back again to the cavity walls. So the electron beam is passes through the cathode. Due to that buncher cavity again it is moving with velocity modulation taking place, but Rappler, due to that Rappler again the electron beam is coming back. So those the things is going on in the reflex klystron oscillator. So in the last class we have seen how that Z we are calculated as well as we will calculated its different parameters. Now we will see the applicated diagram of the reflex klystron oscillator. So applicated diagram with the electron beam is accelerated during the positive half cycle, electron beam is deaccelerated during the negative half cycle, and return electron beam is retarded during this cycle. The return electron beam converted whenever it comes to the cavity walls, that kinetic energy is converted to the electromagnetic energy and that oscillation process is going on. So that is the applicated diagram. Now we will see the power output of the reflex klystron oscillator. So in order to generate the maximum amount of energy to the oscillation, the returning electron beam must cross the cavity gap when the gap field is 0. So in order to generate the maximum amount of energy, the returning electron beam must cross the cavity gap when the gap field is 0. So in this way, a maximum energy of kinetic energy can be transferred from the returning walls to the cavity walls. So we will see the maximum energy transferred, the round trip transit angle omega T2 minus T1. So omega T naught dash, and we will consider n minus 1 by 4 2 pi, then n 2 pi, or we can write down 2 pi n minus pi by 2. So where n is the any positive integer for a cycle number, capital N equal to n minus 1 by 4 is the number of modes we are considering. Now the current modulation of the electron beam as it is recentered the cavity also calculate the same way, but the bunching parameter of the reflex klystron oscillator is negative. So current whatever we calculated for this reflex klystron oscillator, the procedure is same compared to the earlier case 2 cavity klystron oscillator, but the reflex klystron oscillator, the value of the bunching parameter is negative. So if we will see the current equation, if you will remember, so we already calculated this type same equation, but the value is here negative, because there is reflex action taking place. Earlier if direction is this, now again coming back the opposite direction. So it is considered the bunching parameter and other parameters are negative compared to the 2 cavity case. So the fundamental component of the current induced, so that is similar things compared to 2 cavity. So here instead here minus terms will be there. So the magnitude of the fundamental component, if we will consider the magnitude part, that I2 equal to 2 beta I naught J1 x bar. Okay. So the DC power supplied to the beam, we know DC power supplied to the beam equal to B0 and I0. Here B0 is the DC voltage and I0 is the DC current. So the AC power delivered to the load will be PAC equal to B1 I1 by 2, or we can consider B1 I1 by 2, we can write down B1 I naught beta I into J1 x bar. So from these things we know the B1 by B naught value equal to 2x divided by beta I 2 pi n minus pi by 2. So if we will place the value of PAC instead of B1, we will place 2x dash B0, then we will reach this particular equation PAC equal to 2 B naught I naught x J1 x bar divided by 2 pi n pi by 2. So why we are writing in this format? Because we will calculate its efficiency, and efficiency we know PAC divided by PDC. So we will get 2x dash J1 x divided by 2 pi n minus pi by 2. So efficiency of this reflex klystron oscillator is output power, input power divided by output power. Okay. So output power come in the SC format and input power we are giving in the DC. So we'll get the efficiency is 2x dash J1 x bar divided by 2 pi n minus pi by 2. So that is the SC power delivered to the load. Okay. So now we'll calculate the electronic admittance of the reflex Klystron oscillator. So electronic admittance, admittance we know that the output current divided by output voltage. Okay. So output current we already calculated 2I0 B1 J1 x dash in phasor form we have written. So as well as B2 equal to B1 e to the power minus J pi by 2. So the admittance value will be, we'll write the admittance value will be, we'll get I2 divided by B2. So that is the electronic admittance of the reflex Klystron oscillator. So here if we'll place the value of this and this in this equation, so we'll get the solution of electronic admittance. Okay. So in the reflex Klystron oscillator, we started from how the reflection action is taking place. So here we are considering some function, how reflex Klystron oscillator, a single Klystron oscillator which is act as a velocity modulation, as well as it act as a taken power, its output will taken from this cavity walls only. So here reflection action is taking place, and same electron after passing through that cavity, it is velocity modulated. Its velocity is increases, decreases, or same velocity. But due to that Rappler voltage, it will coming back to the again same cavity walls, and due to coming back to the cavity walls, the kinetic energy is converted into the electromagnetic energy, and same things is going back, moving back, and oscillation function is taking place. So this is the overall things in this lecture, reflex Klystron oscillator. So in the next unit we will see some waveguide components, its application, as well as solid state devices. Thank you everyone. Sure.